Hello, hello. This is Jeff, your Florida weather guy. Thank you for tuning in. We got a few things to cover. We're going to be looking at our tonight's forecast for Pinellas County. We're going to look at just a summary for the West Coast and Tuesday's forecast. This was my Florida weather guys recap. This morning we had a low of 74 degrees. We had a high of 81, and we had the rainfall was 0.01 inches in Pinellas County. So that was the rainfall. Oh, we got something to talk about. The National Hurricane Center has put out some type of advisory. This was issued at 8 p.m. this evening. And they're saying in this general area right in here, there is for the next 48 hours, there's a 0 chance of developing. Over the next 48 hours, there is 48 hours to 7 days. There is a very small chance, and that's probably about 10%. This is our chance of precipitation for Tuesday. And the chance of rain is, they're saying 90%, but I don't see that in the Pinellas area, but they're saying 90%. So I'm going to go with what the National Weather Service has predicted for tomorrow. It's going to be less up north Florida, and then it's going to be the higher rain chances. It's because of that there's a low pressure system out in the Gulf, and that's what's going to track up, and that's what they're saying possibility of some tropical development around Georgia, Northeast Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, probably by late week into the weekend of next week. Our high temperature is going to be some 90s up north to lower to mid 80s central, and the lower 80s south, because that's where the area that low pressure is going to be, and it's going to track off into the north and northeast. This is our severe weather outlook for tomorrow. Just general thunderstorms across the whole state tomorrow. And we're going to have some very increases of winds. I mean, not winds, but rains coming up by Wednesday and Thursday. And we may still have some wind too as possibility. But this was our current radar. And all the stuff has moved off either to the southeast, the big heavy part of the rain that just glanced southern Pinellas County in the mouth. But Sarasota, Hillsborough, and the rest of them got some pretty good storms, and they had some hail over in Tampa today, so that was pretty good storms there. This is our current radar, and there's that area of low pressure, and all this stuff's going to track off to this way, as you can see my arrow moving, and this is where they're predicting possibility is only 10%. This is our Tampa Bay regional weather. Showers and isolated thunderstorms redeveloping late tonight, and then moving over to the coast waters late tonight, and then moving onshore again like they did last night. Hang on a second. And lows in the upper 60s north, around 70 to lower 70s central and south. Hang on a second. Okay. Tonight's forecast for my Pinellas weather forecast would be thunderstorms mainly after 12, to 3 a.m. The winds are from the southeast at 5 to 7 miles an hour, and there's 30% chance of rain. This is my official weather forecast for Tuesday in Pinellas County. We're going to have a high of 86 degrees. The sunrise will be at 6:34. The sunset tomorrow will be 8:23. This is for June the 3rd, 2025, which is Tuesday. And the next 5-day forecast, starting tomorrow, Tuesday, thunderstorms, Wednesday, thunderstorms, Friday, thunderstorms, and Saturday, thunderstorms. And I'll keep this updated every day. And our chances of rain, we'll see here in a little bit, but 40 to 70% depending on where you're at in the Tampa Bay regional weather area. This is my rain forecast for Tuesday, hour by hour. From 8 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m., we're at 20%. Then by 2, we're going to inch it up to 30%. Then by late in the afternoon, 3 p.m., 4 p.m., and 5 p.m., up to 40%. That is my hour by hour forecast for rain for Tuesday. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great evening, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. And let's go. And we're going to end out this broadcast.